Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version on Kali Linux 2026.1 population. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then select this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this file and we will install Tor Browser on Kali Linux 2026.1. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Tor Browser zip file. We have to unzip it, tor-xf, then tor, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now execute this file. Don't run this with sudo or root account. // See, now it is opening Tor Browser. See, you got the Tor Browser, and if you want to connect to Tor automatically always, just you need to turn on, then click on connect. Now verify the version, help, about, then about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0.10. Okay, it is establishing connection. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version on Kali Linux 2026.1 population. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.